Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add the waves animation section on your Shopify store completely free in less than 5 minutes and without using any applications? That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video, and you already see it on the screen in front of me. This is the animation section that you can add to any Shopify store, and it works on all of them. Without any more talking, let's jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. And if you are on Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel right here and click on online store, so that open up the section where you can customize the theme. And the next thing you're going to do is, which is the most important step here, which is duplicated the theme. Make sure you click on the three dots beside edit theme for the theme you are using and click on duplicate. So in case something happened, you can have the previous version completely fresh without any changes. You can get back to it. And if you like the changes, you can simply publish the duplicated theme. And after you do so, click on the three dots again for the duplicated theme and click on edit code. And after it opens up the code editor, on the left panel right here, you will see some folders, and there is a folder called sections. Click on the folder sections to be expanded. Then again, right click on the folder sections and it will show you this new option called add a new file, or new file, sorry. Simply click on it and name it waves-animation.liquid. It doesn't matter what you name it, just make sure you add the extension at the end, which is .liquid. Then click on enter, we'll create the file and we'll need to paste in the code in here. And simply now scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website, click on it and it will open up this page with this code right here. Then click on this icon to copy the code and get back to the code editor and simply paste it in here. Now click on save. After it's saved, we will get back in here and click on edit theme for the section, for the theme, sorry, where we added the section. And click on edit theme. Now navigate where you want to add the section. If you want to add it only for specific pages, you can navigate to that page. And in case you want to add it to all pages at once, this is how you do it. Simply stay on the home page. Now scroll all the way down. If you want to add it, obviously it's going to be on the footer probably. Simply move the mouse cursor over the plus button on the footer and you will see two options in here. The first one, add to template. The second one is add to footer. So basically, if you added the section to template, it will show up only on the template, which is in this case is the home page. If you added the section to the footer, then it means it will show up across all the pages on your Shopify store because the footer exists on all pages. In my case, I want to add it only on the home page. So I'm going to click on add section to the template and you will see this section right here called animated wave. If you don't, simply search for it using the search bar. Now click on it and it will add section. It might not look like what it's supposed to be, but no worries. After it's added, you will see this option right here. As you can see, the first one is display on all devices, or desktop only, or mobile only. So this is a preference. In my case, I'm going to keep all devices. And the shape, if you click on it, you will see a lot of options, but not all of them animated. If I click on this like curve 5, you can see it's different, but it's not animated. Curve 6, it's different, but it's not animated. If you want to add the animated one, you click on the shape, then here is the wave 3 animated, says animated. If you click on it, and here it is, as you can see, it's upwards. No worries. There is an option here called flip horizontally. If I enabled it, oh sorry, the one below it, flip vertically, here it is. It will be downwards, as you can see. So there is a shape color as well. You can click on it and change the color, maybe do green. Now the waves will be green, as you can see. And there is the background color for the section, so it will suit your Shopify store. And below is the shape height. This one is 100 pixels. However, you can increase it to make it very large. As you can see, the wave will be much larger. And this is based on your design, of course. And of course, the top padding, bottom padding, which is by default R0. Now, if I click on save and back to the page, because I already removed this one, let's just reload the page and the green one should show up, and here it is, as you can see. And that's how you add the animated waves section on your Shopify store completely free without using any apps. If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.